go with Yukmouth. Come on from the luniz. I got 5 on it. Fabricaliga.com. It's about that time. All right, y'all. Come on, Salinas, Seaside, Monterey, Oaktown, San Francisco Bay Area, San Jose. Where you at? Give it up for Yukmouth. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Play that shit. Play that, boy. Play that there. See some beautiful ladies in the building. All my goons out there, throw your hood up, baby. You know what I mean? Salinas in this motherfucker. Get this shit poppin', man. What the fuck you do, Salinas? Throw them motherfucking dubs in the sky, nigga. Wave them from side to side, baby. You dig? Now repeat after me, y'all. Say hell yeah. Say fuck yeah. Say shit yeah. Now scream. Say hell yeah. Say fuck yeah. Say shit yeah. Now scream. Hold on, let's get this shit poppin', y'all. You know what I mean? When I say I got 5 on, I want y'all to say, bitch. Y'all know how we do this shit. Let's go, DJ. Throw them 5s up too, man. You can't throw your light up. Throw them 5s up, though. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go. I got 5 on it. 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 Nigga, give me some brew and I might just chill, but I'm the type to like to light another joint. I still do be spit loogies when I puff on it. I got some bucks on it, but it ain't enough on it. Fuck with the S-T-I-D-E-S. Nevertheless, I'm hella fresh, rolling joints like a cigarette. So fast across the table like ping pong, I'm gone. Beat my chest like King Kong. It's on, right, my lips around the phony. And when it comes to getting another stogie, fools all kick in like Shinobi. Nigga, you don't know me to begin with. It's too many hands to be. Probably let my friend hit bit. Unless you pull out the fat crispy $5 bill on the real before it's history. Cause fools be at